Leave me alone!
Yo, what's up, Bur? Gua Diwai. Sekarang kita bakal lanjutin lagi, Bur, ya. Kelanjutan dari Life is Strange. Aduh, Bur. Jujur, Bur, ya. Kemarin tuh abis kematiannya si Cat, Bur. Abis gua kelar main, kepikiran sih, Bur. Asli. Kayak, gua kenapa bisa salah gitu kan? Apa yang salah gitu loh. Padahal game ini udah jelas gitu loh. Di episode 2 tuh meng-highlight si Cat gitu. Topiknya langsung si Cat gitu loh. Dari yang bocah pada nonton videonya, dia omongin di kamar mandi, kita ketemu si Cat, kita ngobrol sama si Cat di kamarnya. Dan si Cat ini sebenarnya masih punya keinginan buat hidup gitu loh, Bar. Terbukti dari di awal tuh yang dia nanya kan, Max, lu udah kelar belum buku yang lu pinjem? Kalau udah balikin ke gue ya, ada yang mau gue catet buat kelas tentara. Ya kan, dia masih ada pengen buat ngikut kelas, Pur, masih ada keinginan belajar buat nyatet buat ntar. Dan gue dan gue berakhir ngebikin dia bundir gitu loh. Aduh, bodoh. Udah jelas-jelas, Pur, ya, depresi gitu loh, lagi stres. Si Max juga udah bilang dia mau nolong, mau bantu. Dan di kondisi dia saat itu ya emang kita doang gitu loh yang bisa dimintain tolong ya, karena kita doang yang care gitu. Si Cat mana bisa minta tolong sama keluarganya, orang gerejanya tentang videonya gitu, nggak bisa, padahal lagi sembunyiin, lagi nutupin. Pas dia lagi stres, lagi butuhnya temen gitu kan, orang buat ngobrolin masalahnya, ya pilihan dia nelpon kita gitu loh. Dan lu tahu apa yang gue jawab? Don't answer.
I feel bad about Kate. She'll survive you
Bodoh
not taking
amat.
that.
Ya. Bodoh. Dan setelah itu gue pikir-pikir salah gue di mana. Gue tuh terlarut dalam kesenangan bersama Chloe gitu loh, Bro. Apalagi yang dibahas ya kekuatannya si Max gitu loh, yang mana kita nggak bisa ngobrolin ini sama orang lain, Bro. Nah, di saat lagi momen bersama Chloe lagi seneng, masuklah telepon si Cat di saat-saat itu. Yang mana sebenarnya emang bener isi teleponnya si Cat tuh nggak penting, Bro. Sepele gitu loh. Cuma ya bagi kita sepele, bagi dia itu berarti banget gitu loh. Satu-satunya orang yang bisa diajak ngobrol malah nggak ngangkat teleponnya gitu loh. Udah tambah down lagi di situ dia. Ini developernya nih pintar gitu, Bro. Sengaja mereka tuh setelah momen sama si Cat, developer ini ngebuat kita momen seneng gitu loh, momen yang apa ya, ngelupain kejadian sebelumnya lah bisa dibilang ya. Nah, di situ developer ngetes player ya, kira-kira di momen yang seperti ini mau nggak nih si player ngangkat telepon yang sepele ini gitu loh. GG sih ini good writing, Bro. Ya udah, Bro, gue minta maaf, Bro, ya kalau misalnya gue ngambil keputusan yang salah gitu. Bisa-bisanya nggak angkat telepon doang gitu loh. Aduh. Oke, sekarang kita lanjutin, Bro, ya, episode 3. Dan di episode 3 ini kita bisa expect-nya jelas, Bro, kita bakal cekcok sama si David. Nah, kalau kita cekcok sama si David, kemungkinan kita juga bakal cekcok sama si Joyce gitu loh, ya kan? Nah, kalau beneran kayak gitu, Bro, ini bakal rumit banget sih. Kita punya masalah sama David, yang mana David ini ayah tirinya Chloe, Bro, teman baik kita. Otomatis Joyce juga bakal ikutan gitu loh, istrinya si David, yang mana ibunya Chloe. Ini udah ikut campur urusan rumah tangga orang nih, Bro. Jadi aduh, kalau misalnya bentrok tuh pilihannya bakal berat sih, Bro, asli. Dan gue pun nggak tahu ya bakal bisa pilih pilihan yang bener apa enggak tuh ketika momen itu datang. Ya, tergantung Joyce-nya juga sih, Bro. Si Joyce ini bakal milih siapa gitu loh, milih David, milih Chloe, apa milih Max gitu. Aduh, pusing, Bro. Ya deh, itu yang bisa di-expect dari episode kali ini, Bro. Yaudah, Bro, kalau gitu kita mulai, Bro, episode 3 Life is Strange Chaos Theory. Let's go.
In the previous episodes of Life is Strange.
Oke, previous dulu.
Called film Little Pieces of Time.
Biar ingat, Bro, ya.
Sick of people trying to control me!
Don't
Biar
ever
anget
touch
nih
me again, freak!
pikiran gitu.
It totally makes sense. You hella saved my life.
sama kejadian
I think it's
sebelumnya.
awesome you set a tongue record on video.
You're going to be sorry someday.
And there she is. How are you doing, Max?
Hi, Joyce. I am so sorry about William. I have great memories of him.
That was his gift to us. Wonderful memories.
Let's talk about your superpower.
Hey, it's Thelma and Louise. You're my business now.
That's
and
Rachel's bracelet. Why the fuck are you wearing her bracelet?
You want me to cut you, bitch?
Please step back.
You're kidding. Put that down.
Please get me out of here! Max! Nobody cares about me. Nobody.
Aduh.
What are
Kesalahan
you
gue.
doing here, Max?
Now, I know today was difficult for everybody. Miss Caulfield, why exactly were you on the route with Kate Marsh? Please, tell us everything.
What the hell is this?
Max, there was no eclipse scheduled today.
I believe you, Warren. I'll believe anything this week.
Aduh. Malam nih. Ngapain baru kita malam-malam sekolah? Oh iya, kosan kita kan sekolah ya. Bodoh. Makanya gue salah ngambil putusan kemarin. Bodoh. Maklumin berbeda budaya ya. Jarang Indonesia tinggal di sekolah muridnya. Ya ada sih, cuman gak umum gitu loh. Okay. Life is Strange. Chaos Theory. Chaos Theory sebenarnya udah pernah di-mention bro sama si Chloe. Ya cuma dikit doang sih.
Kate!
Oh ini kelinci si Kate ya? Oh kan sampai kepikiran bro si Max juga. Gue juga cok. To show you meet me in front of campus.
I knew Chloe would be all over this. So I better get moving.
Tuh si Chloe juga jadi gak enakan kan?
I still can't stop thinking about Kate.
Sama Max.
It's like I'm awake in a bad dream. Hey, Bunny, don't be too bummed, but from now on, I'm your new mommy. Are you hungry, Bunny? Here, nosh on this. There's been so much going on, I almost forgot about the eclipse. All this atmospheric
Anjir.
action can't be a coincidence. And all roads are leading to my tornado vision.
Ngeri juga bro ya. Lo ngekos di tempat kejadiannya si Kate bundir gitu loh. Tuh orang masih pada tinggal di gedung ini bro. Aduh.
How did Sherlock Holmes deduce anything without the internet? Glad the media doesn't waste a second exploiting tragedy. Now Kate's family has to see their daughter's death all over the web like a cat video. And I'm even in this one. Oh, that makes me ill.
Sumpah kesalahan besar sih gue ngebiarin dia meninggal deh. Dozen of cell phones recorded the tragic event, which included an unidentified student attempting to talk the victim down.
Besides Rachel, it's been a while since anybody vanished from Arcadia Bay. I shouldn't sound so disappointed. This is such a moving piece of cut and paste Blackwell bullshit. Nobody here had Kate's back. Too little, too late. Yes, now everybody loves Kate Marsh. They bullied her and now post their feels? Hypocrites.
Ih, keren udah mati ya. We love you kid. Rest in peace. Tell dig. Mana lu pas dia down?
Meanwhile,
I feel bad about Kate. She'll survive
Bodoh
you not taking.
amat.
Now David will get a taste of public surveillance.
Fire David Madsen, creepy security guard.
Everybody will be talking about Kate now. Blackwell might as well shut down for the next month. Kate, I swear I will use all of my power to find out who really pushed you off that roof. You know you're hurting when you don't give a shit about music. Come on, Max. No more tears. You have to act, not react.
Oke, yuk ketemuin Chloe.
Okay, this is scary dark. Let there be...
Jadi kayak horor gini. Ih, kamar hantu.
God, that's like some awful TV crime scene in our dorm. Kate, I would give up my power if I could have another rewind to save you. I won't rest until we find out the truth. And somebody pays for this. This is my prayer for you, Kate. Bless your gentle soul.
Wih, kamar Radiannya kenapa kebuka nih? Oi.
Dana looks so sad, even though she's trying not to show it. Hey, Dana. How are you doing?
I just can't stop thinking about Kate. And if this is my fault too.
I knew she was depressed, but I had no idea how bad.
Must be serious to throw yourself off the roof.
That's really all you know?
Like, why would I know anything else? And Max, it's not cool to treat me as if I'm some suspect. I have a fucking headache now, so please, let me crash.
Come on, don't blame yourself. There are other people involved, like Victoria Chase.
She definitely deserves a face punch for pimping that video. I didn't do enough to step up.
Because Victoria was still going to torture Kate with that video.
I know. Kate could have blown it off, but she was too damn nice and innocent.
Dana, there's more to this than just Victoria and the Vortex Club being mean.
So what exactly are you saying, Max? Do you think David Madsen is involved? He finally got his ass busted too.
It's complicated. I don't want to drag you into this, okay? Not yet, anyway.
I'm getting scared now. But people here are still sneaking out tonight.
What? Like who?
Victoria bounced out of here earlier, and now you, Sherlock?
Not me. I need a break from today. Get some sleep too, Dana. I'll see you later.
Ada info baru.
I am wiped out, Max. We'll talk later.
Oke, jadi Victoria lagi keluar juga nih, Bora. Lagi yang ada di kosan. Wait, siapa itu?
Hey, Max. I saw you go up on the roof to try to help Kate. I can't believe she jumped.
Wow, berguna ini segini.
I know. Victoria must be upset since I saw her sneaking out of the dorm past curfew.
Oh man, like, you saw her? She was so, like, nervous when she left the dorm. She wouldn't even tell me where she was going.
Probably to hell. Well, I have to go crash. It's been a rough day, as you know.
Thanks, Max. And I hope you're okay too. You were the only one who tried to save Kate. Victoria was wrong about you.
Dan gua gagal.
Now I have to be alone for my nightly anxiety attack. Talk to you later.
Gua satu-satunya yang peduli, Bora. Dan gua gagal. Sorry, bro. Oke, keluar.
So Chloe is waiting for me in front of the main hall.
Ini hawa-hawanya sih berduka banget, Bora.
Jesus. I still can't believe she jumped.
Jir, kalau diselamatin jadinya kayak bakal gimana, Bora?
The most magical insects. Burn bright.
Open.
Oh, it's unlocked. I hope Samuel isn't around.
Kayak main horror pura asli.
I know Samuel doesn't wear silky scarves. So, who does?
Silky scarves. Siapa yang pakai pura? Iya Chloe, bentar dulu apa? Woi.
Wells, are you serious? I'm toast if he sees me.
Nobody can expel me. Not yet, anyway.
Kaget gue aja. Lagi teriak deh.
Look at me. Feeling sorry for myself when Kate Marsh's family is in mourning. They'll probably sue the academy right out of Oregon.
Iyalah.
Now I understand why the students call this place Black Hell.
Black Hell. Lu nggak bisa lewat nih, Bor. Nggak tahu mesti ketahuan apa gimana. Lah,
Miss Caulfield, you have to be stealthier than that. You're not supposed to be outside your dormitory at this hour. You know that.
I'm sorry, Principal Wells. I'm still upset about Kate. I needed some air and space to walk.
I'm sorry you had to go through that today. You tried to help, but God damn it, Blackwell is my responsibility. And I let her and Kate down. Go on back inside. Get some rest. It's been a shitty day. Good night, Max.
Great. So how do I get past him to meet Chloe?
I know I have a set of keys on me.
oh mundurin sampai
Max
dia
the
itu.
Ninja strikes again.
Mundurin sampai dia ada pintu doang, Bor. Aduh. Oke.
Booyah!
Wah, iya.
Get it? Booyah. Like I'm a scary punk ghost.
More like a scary and sensitive asshole. Chloe, I watched my friend jump off a roof today.
Anjing.
I don't think you need to prank me tonight. You always trip out on me for not being there for you, but is this how you're there for me?
I'm sorry, Max. I wasn't even thinking. I suck.
Kayak emang gak bisa gue
I'm not trying to
berserang-serang.
be a bitch, but I'll never get the image out of my head of Kate jumping off that roof. All because my power didn't work. It didn't mean shit.
I know seeing Kate fall was horrible. I don't even know how to deal with that, so I just act like an idiot. But it's your badass power that's gonna bring all this to a close. We just need to connect the players.
And find out who really killed Kate. We have to stop this from happening to anybody else.
Oh yeah, and somehow stop that tornado from wiping out Arcadia Bay, right?
Didn't you say that it was all about chaos theory? I don't see any control over this chaos.
Oh right, except for your ability to, oh yeah, manipulate time and space. No biggie.
Chloe, I just feel weird about some of my decisions. Especially after I just got your step-bully suspended.
Dude, do not even torture yourself like that. Let's focus on looking for clues, okay?
Right. For one thing, there's too much coincidence between the people around Kate and Rachel.
Like Step Prick and Nathan Prescott?
Bener. Not just them.
Not just them.
Yep. I just want to beat the shit out of those particular bros. I can still feel David's hand on my face.
And even though I don't know her, it feels like Rachel is guiding us to the truth.
Fuck the truth. I just want to find my friend right now. It scares me to think where she could be. Do you think she's
alive? I have to think that, Chloe. Her spirit is so powerful here.
Maybe too much power. Max, we have to find Rachel soon. We have to.
I promise you we will. Like you said, it's time to start the search for clues. Now tell me what's your secret.
Drum roll, please. I present the spare keys to Blackwell. Thank you, step prick.
You are such a boss, Chloe. I just don't want you to get into any more trouble.
Look at all the trouble dropping in Arcadia Bay. At this point, who gives a fuck anymore? We're in it to win it, Max. Lead the way.
I'm so glad you're my partner in crime.
As long as you're my partner in time.
Insert groan here.
Thank you again so much for helping me put together a portfolio.
Hopefully, the rest of the class will follow your lead. I'm sorry I was distracted. As you know, it's not been a good day for Blackwell.
I know this has been an awful day, and you can talk to me anytime, Mr. Jefferson.
Thank you, Victoria. I imagine you're pretty upset over Kate as well.
I'm like still in shock.
Tai.
I've never seen anybody die. I really cared about Katie.
Katie?
Tai bot.
I had no idea you two were that close. Did she?
Well, how does this affect the Everyday Heroes contest?
It doesn't. The contest is still a go, and I still have to pick the winner to best represent Blackwell. I've got all the photos, except one from Max.
I'll give you a one-word sneak preview of Max's photo. Selfie. Listen, you've seen my entry. You know it's better than that. Wouldn't that be so cool to hang out together in San Francisco, Mark?
Stick to Mr. Jefferson, Victoria, please. And, I haven't picked a winner yet.
You already love my work, so it's not like you're playing favorites. Just imagine if you picked my photo, though. We would have to spend a lot of time together. That could be fun, don't you think?
I'm going to think that you didn't say any of that.
You might as well choose me. Otherwise, I might have to tell people you offered to choose my photo for favors or something.
As a favor to your future, I'll also ignore that undisguised threat. This conversation is officially over, Miss Chase. I suggest you go back to your dorm now.
Wait! I only...
Anjir so imut banget
You
bocah.
fucking kidding me?
Keluar kan aslinya.
So stupid. Just when I think Victoria can't get any more evil.
Shit is about to get real at Blackwell.
Let's go find out. Chloe the Keymaster.
You know it.
Dude, I don't know about this. We're both already in so much trouble.
You can always let me get busted like you did with the weed.
I'm serious. We're not kids anymore. We're breaking and entering.
If I have a key, how can it be breaking? I get charges for just entering.
I'm serious. We could go to jail.
Not when Blackwell's ex-head of security is at home crying in his basement bunker. So we better find out what's in the principal's office first. You can rewind if we get caught, right? You have mad powers, Max.
Tell that to Kate.
Come on. One more door and our work here is done.
Oke Bor, sebelum lanjut Bor, ada sesuatu yang pengen gue omongin nih Bor. Jadi episode 2 kemarin ada sifatnya Chloe yang gue kurang suka Bor. Emangnya dia terlalu nganggep enteng gitu loh kekuatannya si Max ini. Kita udah sampai mimisan udah bilang gue nggak enak dan nggak kuat dah. Tapi masih aja kan si Chloe-nya, dude juga bisa bisa. Dia juga sempat bilang kan, this is the best toy ever. Rewind time mainan Bor. Ya gue nggak tahu sih itu dia bercanda apa beneran Bor. Soalnya ya sifatnya kan emang gitu dah. Mudah-mudahan sekarang dia serius aja gitu loh. Kalau kita tuh nggak bisa pakai kekuatannya sering-sering gitu loh Bor. Ntar yang ada kayak kemarin kan nggak bisa dipakai di momen penting. Oke lanjut. Oke ini ruangannya kepala sekolah Bor. Ada info apa ini?
There's no way David would get in Mrs. Grant's face. She'd shut his ass down fast.
I'm making sure the safety is my prime. Orang udah hilang sama bundir. Mananya yang safety loh. My statistics speak for themselves as there's 50% drop in campus crime. Apa yang crime? Nathan yang bawa pistol lagi. Oke, ini belum.
That's it. What the fuck? The security officer should have the key to the principal's office.
He's hiding shit, like everybody here.
Well, now we definitely have to get this door open. Believe it or not, I know a little about lockpicking, thanks to Frank. I might as well test out my thief skill.
Go for it. We're already in this deep.
Well, you could look for the key, just in case.
Why, yes, I could. Nothing here. Nothing to see here. No key for thee. We have to find another way in.
Guess I didn't spend enough time with Frank. But I'll use my DIY lockpick tools while you come up with a better plan.
My plan has a name. Hey, Warren, you busy?
Warren.
Just bubble hearth, you'll be okay. Listen, I need your physics expertise stat. Without naming names, if somebody had access to the art and science labs and wanted to construct a device that would, say, open a locked door, would you maybe kinda know how? Huh? No, I'm just asking for fun. Thanks, science guy. No. Stay. We need you as backup. Just send the text instructions now. I'm sorry, I'm just not sure about a movie night right now. Don't hate me. And thanks for the help.
This sucks ass. Goddamn door.
Try not to wake up everybody at Blackwell.
Sorry, Max. I got nothing. What about your plan?
I'm gonna go put it together. Can you stay here and not get caught?
I might get on the other side of that door before you, Lupin.
The race is on. See you soon.
Apa ya? Aduh. Sugar, soda can, duct tape, sodium chloride. Campur semua meledak. Disuruh nyari gituan murid mana lagi.
Warren is such a classic nerd. Let's see if I can find those items.
Aduh, koridor serem buat ini. Bisa nih.
Release the Kraken.
Oke, soda boleh.
It's all mine anyway.
Soda dapet.
Only 3 more items to go.
Ih. Mesti ke sono. Ya udahlah. Gila serem bor. Door.
Gross. I hate that formalin smell.
Sugar.
Ooh, sugar. Here's the sodium chloride box.
Oh, itu dia. Ambil.
You know you're clumsy, Max. Don't waste your rewind power. Use the damn chair.
Oke. Di kelas kali. Kan.
This is like a scene in a horror film.
Iya, Cok, serem banget, Cok.
I probably should find those
ini dia.
items now. The tape is mine.
Apakah ada sesuatu?
Now it's time to show Chloe that Max is the bomb.
Oke. Wait.
Take it easy on the door, Chloe. Let's try this instead. Boom! Literally.
Yes! Time to blow shit up!
If you'll light the candle.
This is so cool!
Oh,
Get
anjir.
ready to haul ass.
Wih,
That was so fucking cool!
Kencang bener bro.
Oh, we are toast! Here comes
Wah.
the whole Arcadia Bay Fire and Police Department.
So what should we do?
Rewind kali.
Take it easy on the door, Chloe.
Loh. Something apa cok? Kan. Loh, gua di dalam. Wah, kocak ah. Bisa begitu ya? Wah, kaget nih sekali gua di dalam.
If I can get this bastard open, she can't cheat with her rewind. Oh, this is bullshit. Fuck you, door.
Welcome to my domain.
You are magic. I have no clue how the hell you got in there, but you did it, sister.
The company I keep. Now, let's find what we want and beat it. My powers only go so far.
Man, I can see why the principal locks this room up. Fancy faux art crap. He must want everybody to know he has money, but no taste. How can you trust somebody who has a fucking bronze bird in his office? I'm glad I was expelled.
Yes, if only the principal had a Monet or Picasso, you'd still be at Blackwell.
Eat me. I'm gonna pilfer the papers on this ugly-ass desk. Okay, sure. It's ugly, but damn, is it a cozy chair. This is your chance to truly get all deductive and shit, Sherlock. Find us some clues about Rachel, or Kate, or Nathan. Anybody.
I'm on the case.
Oke, let's go.
Rachel doesn't seem so troubled based on all this. But there's not much here about the police investigation.
Oke, student information nih bro. Nggak ada apa-apa ya. Cuma di update-nya doang nih. Hilang beberapa bulan lalu.
Man, I don't blame the principal for expelling Chloe. Bad Chloe.
GPA 1,7. Nah, itu doang.
Only 2 more files to go. Weird. This asshole has a spotless record.
Nathan. Jadi bagus-bagusin bro.
Like I'm not gonna read my own personal file. This file is going to be so spotless, I'll projectile vomit. I have to make sure Warren doesn't have a criminal background. Let's nab this last file, Sherlock. Always wanted to say nab. I guess being a bully is in the Prescott DNA. That is so cool that my signature actually counted. Go, Miss Grant.
Kayak petisinya si Miss Grant berhasil bro.
Happy trails, David. This pretty much sums up Kate. Shy and sweet. And in the wrong place. I think we found everything in here. I should go join Chloe now.
Max, you better come check out these files.
Apa itu?
Nathan accuses Rachel of bringing drugs on campus, and my step troll went along because he thinks Rachel was a bad influence on me. Assholes.
If David is teaming up with Nathan Prescott, that's a bad sign.
Nathan Prescott III. Ooh, he's so money. And you know the Prescotts dropped major bank to bury Nathan's real file. Look, it reads like a rap sheet. Bad grades, teacher complaints, secret probation. But I was expelled?
The Prescotts always get their money's worth. Check out that note. Open it.
It's just some crazy
bro.
drawing.
Report
It's not a
yang
drawing.
ini.
Look. Rachel in the dark room. Rachel in the dark room. Over and over. That's it.
That's fucked up. What does this even mean? Nathan is truly psychotic. I know he has something to do with Rachel missing.
Whoa, listen to this. David M. always asks what's going on in my head. David M. always helps me follow those he follows. It's pretty cryptic.
No, it sounds like they formed some sort of weird team, the Super Hebrews.
Jesus. David was stalking Kate, hassling me, and now we know he was all over Rachel too.
Oh, we are so going into his garage files. Plus, I'm getting a little paranoid in here. We got our info, let's bail. But maybe we shouldn't leave without a gift.
No, you are not taking the cozy chair.
Max, do your powers include mind reading? Or did you just rewind because I tried to steal the chair? Shit, I'm confused.
It's the powers of best friendship. I know how you roll. We should definitely get out of here. We pressed our luck enough.
Hello, what have we here? Holy shit! Jackpot! Cha-ching!
Wowzer. That's a lot for the handicapped fund.
Dude, there's $5,000 here. I could pay Frank back tonight. This'll chill him out after you almost, shot him.
Seru milih nih.
Are you gonna make a big issue out of this? Or just rewind and take the greenbacks for yourself? I hope you do that instead of lecturing me.
Gimana nih, Bor? Aduh, ini di season yang kayak gini, Bor, nih efeknya gede, Bor ya. Ini main eventnya gini nih. Kirim baik-baik, Bor. Oke, sekarang gini dulu. Kalau misalnya kita ngambil duitnya, Bor ya, si kepala sekolah, ya jelas dia bakal curiga, Bor ya. Dia bakal tahu ada orang yang masuk ke office-nya dia gitu loh. Ya sebenarnya kitanya aman-aman aja sih, cuma dia jadi ada pikiran kalau ada orang yang pernah nyuri duitnya dia gitu loh. Terus juga duitnya bisa kita pakai buat bayar utangnya si Chloe ya, Bor. Jadi kalau utangnya udah kebayar, kita harusnya nggak ada masalah sama Frank, Bor. Cuma gue ragu sih si Frank nerima terus kelar gitu. Kayak nggak bakal gitu, Bor. Nggak bakal segampang gitu. Oke, itu kalau kita ngambil duitnya, Bor. Sekarang kalau kita nggak ngambil, oke, kepala sekolah aman, Bor. Dia jadi nggak ada pikiran orang pernah masuk nyolong duitnya. Tapi kita jadi masih punya masalah sama si Frank gitu loh. Si Chloe nggak bisa bayar utang, ntar si Franknya bakal minta apa gitu kan, sesuatu yang lain. Jadi lebih baik mana, Bor? Duh, bingung, Cok. Trauma gue pergi ya. Tapi gue entah kenapa pengen nyolong sih, Bor. Lagian juga kepala sekolahnya water duitan, Bor. Duit haram juga nih lagi. Lalu kita pick yang leave the money dulu, Bor. Kita lihat dulu outcome-nya kayak gimana.
You really want to take money from the handicapped fund? I know you need to pay Frank back, but I've got my power to protect you, right?
There's a lot of power in that horse-choking wad of cash. But yes, Moral Max is right again. I guess. Let's get the hell out of this office, Morg.
I know that money would have helped Chloe and me.
Aduh. Duitnya buat handicap, Bro. Tuh Rachel malah yang dituduhin nih, Bor, nyebalin narkoba, Bor. Padahal mah yang aslinya si Nathan. Bener tuh Nathan sama David, Bor. Oke, ntar dulu, ini gimana nih? Kita nyolong apa enggak? Duitnya buat handicap soalnya. Tapi belum tentu juga sih buat handicap. Coba kita lihat dulu deh jawaban yang satunya, Bor. Oke, coba kita steal.
Frank knows things about Rachel, and he might talk if he's been paid, right?
You are Supermax. And with the leftover dough, I'll take you on a road trip to Portland for the day. We'll stock up on tats, beer, weed, and donuts.
And books from Powell's?
And strip clubs. Kidding. But You never know.
I feel like shit for taking that money.
Nih, mohon maaf ya orang-orang handicap. Tapi inti story ini kan nyari tahu tentang Rachel, Bora. Dan uangnya ini bisa kita manfaatin gitu loh. Si Frank tuh tahu sesuatu tentang Rachel, Bora. Bisa kita sogok ke duit, Bora. Aduh. Oke, gue steal aja, Bora. Pilihan gue steal. Oke, Bora. Ya orang-orang handicap nggak ada hubungannya, Bora, sama story ya. Sedangkan si Frank nih ada gitu loh. Oke udahlah, steal aja ya, Bora. Oke. Semoga bener, Bora. Aduh, jangan bad ending lagi, please. Bismillah.
That impish look scares me. Care for a midnight swim? The Blackwell pool is ours.
Swimming? You want to take that risk now?
It's been
Ngapain,
a
Cok?
cray week. We deserve a little mindless fun in the water. We're done for the night anyway. We're rich, and nobody busted us. So, splish splash?
You're right. We hella deserve it. Splish splash.
Did you actually just say hella? I think I'm a good bad influence on you.
Ngapain, Cok? Berenang. Ntar kalau ketangkep, tahuan lu punya
We're in
kunci.
the otter's lair. Big fucking deal. I want that heated water.
We still have to play it cool, okay? I still go to school here.
You can own this hellhole once you figure out your rewind power.
Ah, kan
Chloe's
ini
so psyched for girls' night out, so I better follow her evil plan.
nih jelek Chloe sih dia, Bora. Lagi-lagi gue bilang apa kan, dia terlalu nganggap remeh kekuatannya si Max. Episode 2 kemarin kan kita sering banget pakai rewind time. Akhirnya mimisan nggak bisa kepake, Cok, ujung-ujungnya. Mesti kita bilangin si Chloe ini. Duh.
Boys or girls?
Girls?
Girls, of course.
Girls. Ooh la la. Let me check to see if the pool's heated.
A bus ticket? Was she going to run away? Like Rachel Amber?
Siapa ya? Victoria Locker ini dia nih.
So, Victoria's secret is selfies. Go fuck your... No. Jefferson said, don't confuse art with the artist. These are cool shots.
Wih, apa itu? Coba apakah kita bisa rewind ke locker laki-laki, Bora? Tapi gue di sini ya. Waduh. Gue di dalam, woi.
Presto!
Dude, it's getting old. Try and dazzle me with another trick.
Nggak, niat gue nggak bercanda, woi.
Boys or girls?
Boys, of course.
Figures. Perv. Let me check to see if the pool's heated.
Nggak bisa kan, Bor? Oke, kira ada
I
clue
guess
nggak?
somebody forgot their Blackwell spirit.
Logan.
I guess I should consider this evolution.
Nah, locker Nathan nih.
It's okay for Nathan to be hooked on these drugs, right? Betty developed that in Jefferson's class. But why?
Dia ngedeketin kita karena pengen cewek doang sih, Bor. Oke.
Max, try to find the light for the pool. I want to see the sharks.
Otters don't like sharks. They bite.
So do I. Hit that light.
Aduh, ngapain lagi pakai nyalain lampu sih? Tahuan ntar kita.
There has to be a control panel for the lights around here.
Nih. Wih lah, udah ganti baju ya.
time to do or die, Max.
Oh yeah, baby. Feels like a hot tub. And with my cash dash, I'm queen of the world. Bow. Tell me you're not gonna stand there watching me like a zombie. Don't you dare! Come stop me, hippie. Okay, you asked for it. Cowabunga!
Bocil tutup mata,
Why,
bocil.
look, an otter in my water. Dun 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 dun.
You are so obvious. And I still get freaked out by that movie, so stop. I can't even watch any of those shark shows. I'll just rewind and harpoon you. Otter's revenge.
Cheater.
Yeah, you wouldn't know about that.
I wish Rachel was here. She would totally love being in here at night. Wish you guys had met each other.
We will. With all this stuff going on, I'm starting to think everything is related, and I want to find out why for Kate's sake. She didn't deserve to die.
Your power is changing everything, Max. Especially you. I can already tell. You're not so chicken shit anymore.
Thanks, girlfriend.
You know what I mean. You're becoming like this force of nature.
More like luck of nature. Come on, my power failed trying to rescue Kate. Maybe I'm just stumbling back and forth in time. For what reason?
You didn't stumble when you saved me, Max.
Iya sih.
Thank God. But what if I had? What if you and Kate would both be dead?
So it's time to start moving forward in time. And we're obviously connected, since without me, you would have never discovered your power, right?
Nggak tahu deh.
I don't know.
Well, I do, okay? So just listen to Captain Chloe.
I'm trying. As long as we don't waste this power.
Stop being so goddamn humble.
Kan.
You're like the smartest, most talented person I've ever known.
More than Rachel Amber?
Dude, I'm not her groupie, okay? And I'm sure you have Blackwell bros all over you. Like Warren.
Gross.
Ew. I don't want any Blackwell bros over me. There's a couple cute guys there, but they probably think I'm a total nerd.
Nerds are hot. You just don't have any confidence yet.
Unfortunately, that didn't come with my rewind power.
No worries. Once you get over yourself, you're gonna make the world bow.
As long as you're there with me.
Don't look so sad. I'm never leaving you.
Now I'm getting cold in here.
Because we're yapping instead of attacking each other, otter versus shark style. I think I've had my pool experience for the year. Let's check.
Let's call it a draw. I'm gonna freeze my ass off when I get out. Gross. I feel like we just went swimming in Chlorine Bay.
You look cute with your hair soaked in chemicals.
Thanks. You would know.
Hide!
Hide kemana nih? Kamar mandi.
We have to go now.
Cabut. Yaudah.
Are you shitting me?
Wah, ada juga sini orang. Siapa itu?
Dude, hide! Like when we were kids.
I could use my power, or just look for a hiding spot, or both.
Sini. Ya, di sini dong, Bor.
Hello? Anybody there?
Enggak.
Better not try any Halloween pranks after today. I'm serious. I heard something over here. Who's here? I got
Aduh.
a flashlight and a stick.
Jangan sampai ketangkep. Mudah-mudahan si Chloe nggak ketangkep udah. Ini kita cabut atau gimana sih? Oh iya bener.
We are so invisible.
Let's bail.
Let's bail, ngomong kenceng bener. Tapi kok mereka tahu ya ada orang.
Wait, turn around. They're coming. We have to find another way out.
Kalau kita ketangkep mati nih, baru kita ketahuan nyolong duit.
You can't go back to your dorm now. You're a Blackwell fugitive. Crash at my place tonight.
You want me to crash with a Blackwell security officer I just busted live so I'll be safe? Okay.
Into the car. Get in.
Later, fuckers! Max, you rock! We are so fucking awesome!
Yes, we so are.
Ya mereka bakal curiga nggak sih si Max nggak ada di kosan malam ini. Aduh, rumahnya David bor. Sini juga nggak aman sih.
Always remember this moment.
Photobomb.
Photo hog.
Bangun nih bocah.
It feels like a different world from yesterday.
We left a skid mark on Blackwell last night.
Like it needs another one. I'd like to do something good for my school in Arcadia Bay. I can't even submit my photo to represent. I just don't want to be rejected.
Every great artist gets rejected before they get accepted. So you have to enter a photo.
Even though I'm pimping the school and town you want to torch?
Come on, I don't want to see Arcadia Bay burn to the shore. I just say shit like that because I've been trying to get out of here since you left, basically. If I could find Rachel, then pay Frank off, I'm still leaving to start a whole new life.
I wish we could just hang out all morning like we used to. Maybe we should get up. I have to get back to Blackwell soon.
Oh, does the schoolgirl have a test today?
I'm starting to feel like going to Blackwell every day is a test. I just need to get on my regular school schedule again.
I know that it is freezing, but I think we have to walk. I keep waving at the taxis, they keep turning their lights off.
I'm so wiped out from last night. But it was awesome.
I have to ponder what kind of criminal I've become.
Last night was only the tip of the iceberg.
I have to admit, it was pretty cool to take over the Blackwell gym.
Today the gym, tomorrow the world. We need to step it up.
We still have to be careful how I use my power. I don't want to get stuck in time.
Diam doang lagi.
With the sidewalk and the pigeons and my window reflection. The mask I polish in the evening, by the morning looks like shit. And I know you have a heavy heart.
Asik
I
boleh.
can feel it when we kiss.
Ya momen itu gini-gini aja gitu loh. Santai, happy. Jangan bikin tegang ya. Ada ya. Gak tau ya.
I saw you in the evening by the morning.
Okay, I need to get dressed now.
You change your mind. Lu kan nama Broki. Masih ya ngajakin gua. Wih, pistol
Frank
tuh.
might think twice about messing with Chloe now, but if David finds out, shitstorm. Nice. Chloe put my pic on her phone. I must have proved I was worthy again. Jesus. Now I am glad Chloe took that money. This guy is serious and scary. Chloe is so damn cute. She's really trying to suss out what my vision means. At least we haven't been identified. Yet.
Polisi.
I have to go. Especially since Kate's parents aren't going to bury her here. Chloe seems more relaxed now that she has that money from the handicapped fund. I love this morning light. It's so peaceful.
Wouldn't it be wicked if we could just hang out here forever like when we were kids?
Yes, but sadly we're not kids anymore.
At least you can date now, right? My dad was terrified of the day I would discover boys.
So, you never really told me if you had a serious boyfriend while I was away.
Not serious. Hella stupid, usually. I went through a boy toy phase. Among other things.
I can't see you with any of the guys around here.
Because you have a good eye. That's why I was so glad Rachel came along to rescue me.
Sounds like you totally crushed on Rachel.
You would have too. Smart, sexy, and sassy. Like me, right?
Well, duh. Maybe Rachel would have fought over both of us.
You wish. Then again, maybe. You're a photographer and she wanted to be a model.
Ugh. Still reeks like a chlorine factory.
See if you can find a suitable outfit in my fashion hole.
Okay.
Okay, time for some Chloe cosplay.
Hey, there you go. Rachel left a bunch of her clothes with me. She's your size.
But not quite my style.
Max, you don't have a style yet. At least give it a try. You can always rewind back to your chlorine brand t-shirt and generic jeans.
You suck. I like my shirt and jeans. But it would be cool to try on Rachel's clothes just to see if they fit.
Stop second-guessing yourself, Max. Put this on and let your inner punk rock girl come out. You can afford to take chances whenever and whatever you want to try. For example, I dare you to kiss me.
What?
I double dare you. Kiss me now.
Ini maksudnya apa, Bor? Pengaruhnya apa gitu loh? Lihat dua-duanya, Bor. Gue nggak tahu yang mana.
Damn, you're hardcore, Max. Now I can text Warren and tell him he doesn't stand a chance. Unless he's into girl-on-girl action.
You're such a dork. Oh man, that was priceless when I kissed Chloe. She didn't think I would.
Kayaknya jangan sih. Don't kiss.
Sorry, not that easy.
Oh, like I am? Just admit that you already macked on me, then used your rewind. Now I can text Warren that you're saving yourself all for him.
I'm so going to best unfriend you for that. I love that Chloe is so fearless.
Dari reaksinya sih kayak mending gini, Bor. Aduh, apa sih maksudnya? Begini ya, Bor. Gua nggak tahu nih pengaruhnya apa. Cuma yang jelas kita anti LGBT, Bor. Jadi kita nggak usah cium Chloe, oke? Okay? Deal. Deh. Udah ke save tuh. Cok, ilah.
Looking sick, Max? A couple tats, some piercings, and we'll make a thrasher out of you yet.
Ready for the mosh pit, Shaka Bra.
Maybe not. Go on down and say hi to Joyce. Free breakfast. I have to, wake and bake first.
I promise not to tell.
Let's not rewind and find out, okay?
Kagak cocok ya.
Oh my god, that smells so amazing. It's like when we were kids here.
Siapa lagi unknown? Miss Caulfield. I wanted to thank you so much for your action with my daughter Kate. Orang tuanya kayak ini. You showed true grace and bravery when you went up to the Rovitor. You must know it. Richard Mars. Aduh. Sebenarnya bisa kita tolong, Wara. Wah, itu burung yang itu tuh. Yang kita kasih masuk waktu episode 1.
No way. That's the bluebird I saved Monday in Joyce's room.
Udah di sini. Jangan dipelihara sama si Joyce. Bisa masuk, enggak.
I better not go in there. David might be in bed. Ew.
Ih, ada David. Ih. Aduh, apakah kita bakal cekcok sama Joyce sama David di sini?
David, this is Officer Korn. Just want to let you know your stepdaughter's car was identified near the Blackwell campus last night, around the time of the break-ins.
What?
Give me a call soon.
Are you in trouble again, Chloe? Don't you sleep?
Waduh, bisa dihapus, War. Tapi rewind lu, si Joyce denger tadi, Bora. Iris.
Message deleted.
Nice.
Goodbye, message. I think Chloe has earned a break from all this bullshit.
Oke, jadi si Joyce sama David gak bakal tahu, Bora. Oke. Woi, Joyce. Sak apa lu?
Good morning, Joyce.
Rachel, I mean Max.
Rachel.
Oh, you startled me. Well, you fit those clothes well. Thank God you're not a hellraiser like her or Chloe. Now tell me exactly what you want to chow on.
I'm dying for some of your famous pancakes.
I thought you would have missed those. You ate more than William, and he loved them.
I remember. We would race each other to grab them from the stack.
So this time, you can help me with the ingredients. I need you to grab me the eggs and milk.
Eggs and milk? No problemo.
Milk?
Now for the mother's milk.
Egg mana?
Oh, jeez, can you help me get this bird out of here?
Oh, look at the poor bird. He seems kind of freaked out.
Nih, keluar. Tutup lagi.
Oh, dead bird. Poor thing.
Wih, burung mati lagi. Wih, banyak amat mayat burung. Ngapa burung pada mati, udah?
3 dead birds lined up? That's fucking ominous.
Iya, cok, aneh banget. Burung, keluar burung.
I keep expecting to see the sky turn red.
Oke, udah. Ini telur.
The eggs always come first, as Joyce used to say.
Thanks. After all these years and everything that's happened, it's great to see you and Chloe together again. She hasn't had a good friend since you or Rachel. Oh, those clothes remind me so much of her. Such a sweet girl. I'm just hoping she's living large in LA.
I'd love to think that too, Joyce, but
We're on the same page, Max. I keep hoping that Rachel will show up or even send a message to Chloe from Hollywood. Or wherever she is.
be honest, Joyce. Do you think Rachel is okay?
God, I hope so. She is smart. She always landed on her feet. Maybe I don't know her as well as I thought. Maybe Chloe doesn't either.
Sometimes I feel like I don't know Chloe as well as I thought.
Max Caulfield, are you actually jealous of Rachel?
Maybe. Rachel was so much cooler than me.
You think? Then why has Chloe been telling me she wishes she could be more like you over the past 5 years?
Doubt it. Did she really? 5 years ago feels like 1,000 now.
And that makes me what, a century old? You're only 18, Max. Oh, youth. If only I could go back.
It's not all that, Joyce.
Voila, a breakfast fit for us queens. And a king. Go sit at the table.
King Dongo. Anjir, seriusan nih bakal makan bareng David. Aduh. Orang kita kemarin nuduh dia yang salah. Bisa-bisanya hari ini makan bareng di rumahnya.
Thank you so much, Joyce. I'm never leaving this table.
Good, you can clean.
Eat. Lu sebelum David datang.
Seeing you again, made me remember so much. I know these photos don't measure up to your work, Max.
My favorite photographers probably take pictures similar to yours. You make David happy, Joyce.
He wants us all to be happy, Max. He's just not great at showing it.
I don't think I can rock this outfit like Rachel.
You have your own cool style.
Wowzer. I totally remember that day.
I'm glad. William took this picture with his instant camera. Oh, it was the last picture he ever took. He had his car out right after this, and
I know, Joyce. I'm sorry.
I didn't show you this to be morbid. In fact, I want you to have this. This was when my baby was so full of life and light. She was hopeful, positive. Everything she's not today. And this was the last time I ever saw Chloe truly happy.
Did you guys have a bonding session about how fucked up I am?
It's not always about you.
Chloe, please. It's too early to start picking a fight. Eat instead.
I'll keep the warden busy while you go peek in the garage.
Now stop whispering, or I'll know you're talking about me.
Stop being so nosy, Mother. Jeez, I can't do anything around here without everybody getting up in my shit.
No one can even joke with you, Chloe. You fly off the handle like that.
Excuse me. I have to use the bathroom.
Sure, run off and pee when you should back me up.
Now who's being paranoid? Just listen to yourself.
Nobody else does.
I do
Ini
need
dia
to
nih,
get
Bor.
into David's computer. He's gotta be hiding shit.
Ada di password kan kalau nggak salah.
No shit, it needs a password. How about step douche? Try again. I need more clues. Maybe I could try stepdad for the password. Naturally, David would buy a heavy-duty military padlock. I can even see the combination. That might be a useful password.
7171.
Maybe this ID number might work.
Nggak mungkin.
Obviously, David's parents care about him. That date might be a good password. Joyce might as well have wrote, "Let's get married." That might be a useful password.
Banyak banget nih clue-nya, Cok. Yang mana ini kira-kira?
Shitballs. Score! Max the hacker strikes again. Whoa.
Tanggal
Spoiler
ketemu
alert. Rachel definitely hooked up with Frank. But why does David care?
Rachel has been cutting class all week. Frank and Rachel meet once again. Follow Rachel to Lighthouse.
Instead of stalking Kate, David could have helped her. This is so wrong. Ugh, creepy bastard.
Ini kenapa kayak dia punya profil si Max orang? Dendam kali.
I better tell Chloe about this now. It's just one more thing to make her sad and mad.
Oh, I should know that Chloe can't get through an hour without creating drama.
Nice breakfast.
David, you back already?
That's what happens when you lose your job as head of Blackwell Security.
What happened?
What you would expect to happen in this PC college bullshit age. Principal takes the words of lying stoned students over a veteran and law professional.
Again? This isn't the first time you've gotten in trouble there.
Well, now it's the last time. I'll get a lawyer to sue their ass.
Ini bocah sini. Ini dia.
Figures you'd be here. Is that your Rachel Amber Halloween costume?
You know more about her than me.
No. You and Chloe think you know more than anybody. Like all teenagers.
Leave Max
Benar kan,
alone,
Bor?
David.
Ribut kita.
I can't believe you got fired. No. Of course I can believe you got fired. Did you threaten some poor student with a
He
stockade?
threatens them with surveillance cameras, so he can spy on everybody. Like he spies on all of us here.
Don't start, Chloe. Not now.
Yeah, I'm just always starting shit, right? You're a total paranoid, David.
Not now, Chloe.
You used to call me a loser for getting kicked out of Blackwell. So who's the loser now, David? Who haven't you accused or harassed? Between your investigations into Rachel and Kate, what have you done besides get in trouble?
Bor, bener kata gue di awal kan, Bor? Kita udah ikut campur masalah keluarga. Bro, jelas kita di Chloe lah, Bor. Ngapain kita belain si David? Nah, coba kita lihat dulu, Bor. Kalau kita belain David, gimana?
Listen, we don't know that David did anything, and nobody has any proof against him. As far as we know, it's Nathan Prescott who's the real threat so far. I would cut David slack here.
Oh, would you? How generous, King Max. So suddenly it doesn't matter how shady David has been acting, or that he keeps all those weird files on your classmates, or how you're always going off on how creepy David
Enough!
is.
I don't want anybody being accused of anything. There's been too much of that crap going on around here lately, and I don't want it in my home today.
Well, I agree with that. Now, if you all don't mind, I'd like to forget about work and sit down and eat some of this incredible grub.
I have to take a dump. Are you coming, Max?
Maybe I went too easy on David for Joyce's sake.
Rewind. Side with Chloe.
You're a bully, David. I saw you harass Kate Marsh when she was going through hell. You could have totally helped her. Everybody at Blackwell is a suspect to you, except for Nathan Prescott. That's why the students and faculty don't like you. You even hit your stepdaughter. I do respect your service, but you don't respect anybody.
Chloe was doing drugs. That's illegal.
So is spying on people in your family and at your work. Why do you have photos of Kate Marsh and Rachel Amber in your files anyway?
What?
Is this true, Max?
Yes, David. Why do you have these files at all? I find this very disturbing.
I do not have to take this kind of interrogation. Not from you punks.
Maybe you should calm down.
Joyce di pihak kita, bro.
You're turning on me now, huh? Of course. Women always stick together. Well, screw you.
David, you better go to a hotel until we figure this out.
You can't kick me out of my own home.
It's my home, David, paid for and in my name. You know the law, right?
Oh, I thought I knew a lot of things. Like when I'm outflanked.
Have a nice day.
Chloe, for once, just please shut up.
I hope Joyce doesn't hate me for tearing into David.
Nyata begitu, bre. Ya akhirnya si Joyce juga tahu kan kalau si David tuh nyembunyiin sesuatu.
Max, don't beat yourself up. David earned this all by himself. Understand?
I don't want to see or hear you again, Max. You've hurt me and my family enough.
Lu ngilangin orang sama biarin anak orang bunuh diri, Bayu. Kocak.
Max, that gave me chills. And you better not rewind this one.
Gua milih yang ini. Oke, bro, fix ya.
Listen, when I went through David's laptop, I found pictures of Rachel and Frank being more than friends.
Right, no way, Max. She was just posing to tease Frank.
If you're not gonna believe me, why don't we check out what Frank has in his RV?
What's that gonna prove?
Frank has Rachel's bracelet. What else does he have in there?
Motherfucker better not have anything. For his sake. Let's check the door. Frank gets so wasted, he sometimes forgets to lock it.
I can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore. We have to be casual ninjas here. Shitballs. Okay, here's the plan. I'll go to the diner and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me. Then you come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me. Then you can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key, and...
Chloe, I got this. I'll be right back.
Don't let my epic plan get in the way of yours. I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby snack to distract his mangy mutt.
Now to find a quick and easy way to snag Frank's keys.
Oke, kalau ini gue setuju kok, pakai power kita buat ini nih.
Locked.
Dead, no dead.
I heard that something bad was happening to the fish in Arcadia Bay.
Well, since you mentioned it first, there ain't no fish in Arcadia Bay.
What? Come on. None?
None worth catching and eating anymore. I'm not shitting you. Salmon, trout, bass have died and migrated. Even the damn clams are dying.
Oh my god. But what about...
Sorry, just too salty to talk about it. See you around, kid.
Good lord, bacon. I'm ready to nosh again. Ugh, but I need to get those keys from Frank.
Wih, ada Nathan ngapain nanya?
Nathan and Frank together? That's a bad combo.
Iya. Oke, talk.
Turn up the brain to 11, Max. How can you snag Frank's keys?
I just wanted to see what would happen if I did this.
I'm gonna kill you.
Buset. Ngeri amat. Oke, mesti ngomong ber.
You show up after almost shooting me? You have serious balls, little girl. But hanging out with Chloe, playing with guns and dressing like Rachel doesn't make you cool or tough. The fuck do you want?
How do you know these are Rachel's clothes?
Because she looks beautiful in them and you look like ass. Aiming a gun doesn't make you any sexier.
Grab your keys and let's check out your RV.
Let's not. You fucking creep me out.
In other words, Max, no keys. Maybe I could chat up that officer, or even Nathan, and then go all Groundhog Day on them until I get the info I need.
Okay.
How you doing, Maxine? I'm so sorry you had to be up there with Kate when she, just know that we're proud of you for going up there.
Thanks, Officer Barry. I know you guys deal with this stuff way more than me, but it is hard to deal with.
I'm glad you're representing Blackwell Academy.
I thought Nathan Prescott represents Blackwell.
Well, don't make me backwash this bacon. You know what the Prescotts represent.
Taking over Arcadia Bay?
You're not far wrong, Max. I heard the Prescotts are working on some new big land deals. Mr. Prescott helped out my family once a while ago, so I made a deal with him that I can't seem to get out of. Man, if I could get one instant replay in life.
Apa itu?
I better finish my breakfast first.
Well, I heard a rumor you were working for the Prescott family on the side.
Jesus, doesn't this town ever shut up?
I don't blame you for getting extra work.
Look, sometimes I check up on the Prescott family to make sure they're doing all right. Nathan included. Keep this quiet, Max.
Try interrogating somebody else, Lieutenant Caulfield.
Bermain dengan info nih baru kayaknya. Oke, kita ngomong sama Nathan.
Rachel? Whatever the fuck. Oh, look. Max Amber. Nice outfit. Looks like ass on you. Sure hope you're not following me. You're in enough trouble after you got David fired.
Considering we're in a public diner with a police officer right over there, you shouldn't advertise your rage, Prescott.
No worries, because you're the one trying to fake it till you make it. At least you were smart enough to keep your big mouth shut in the principal's office.
Kan tuh dia tuh. Kita nggak nuduh dia sih.
I bet Frank hooked you and Rachel Amber up with party supplies.
Nice try. Rachel partied like a fiend on her own. More than me.
I doubt that.
Like you would know, virgin. Even that pig over there knows Rachel hung out more with Frank. I mean, don't talk to the cop about that, dumbass.
I heard your dad hired a local cop to keep an eye out on you and Frank Bowers. Like a babysitter.
Bullshit. My dad doesn't hire. He owns. And these pigs know better than to narc on me.
Do they? I hope that means Frank won't get busted.
Eventually he will. Guy's into some freaky shit. He told me once he took a weird blood oath for Rachel. Forget I told you that. Seriously. Now get off my crack, whore. Keep your pie holes shut.
Weren't you supposed to keep your mouth shut about the blood oath Frank took for Rachel?
Blood oath? What the fuck? I never told anybody about that freaky shit. Besides, everybody knows Frank is a liar and a loser. Even Rachel did.
Yet Rachel Amber hung out with him more than you.
So, Rachel wanted Frank's stash. She let him take pictures, then he carries around her photo like she posed for love. Dumbass.
What the fuck now?
You know I saw that photo Rachel gave you.
How do you know about that? Huh? Chloe, right?
She just told me that one of Rachel's favorite pictures was the one she did for you.
Really? Yeah, I mean, that's what I thought. She was just a natural beauty, you know? Wait, let me find it. Here, judge for yourself.
The magic keys to Frank's RV kingdom. My work here is done here, Frank.
Oke, dia kuncinya. Masih deteksi.
I'm afraid I'll have to take your keys now, asshole.
You did not just do that. Give me back my keys, bitch. Give me my keys now.
Key brought. Now back to Chloe.
Oh, diambil terus di rewind, Bor. Iya, jadi kunci di kita ya. Oke juga. Kenapa ada si itu tuh?
Are you shitting me?
Woi, minggir.
Alyssa, watch out! Quick thinking, Max.
3 kali ya gue nyautin dia nih.
That was close, Alyssa.
Okay, Max, this is the 3rd time you've saved me from harm's way. You must be my angel.
Don't thank me. I haven't done anything special.
I saw you try and save my friend Kate on that roof. The only one who did. While people took camera pics.
Yep, I tried. And Kate died.
Knock that shit off. The whole school saw you trying to talk her down. But nobody could've. You're still a hero, Max.
That's not how I feel today, but thanks.
We need to hang out more. Drink some wine. I have to go, but let's talk later, cool?
Homeless zone kita ngobrol dulu.
So ominous.
Gimana banyak burung mati loh.
Hi, how are you?
I remember you.
Max, can I get you something from the diner?
I heard about that girl killing herself at Blackwell. Awful thing.
Kate Marsh. I was with her when she jumped. I tried to save her. I swear I did.
Oh, honey. That was her choice, not yours. Don't you carry that weight.
Too late. And I had the power to change things.
The more power you think you have, the less you do. Kate Marsh probably felt like she had nothing no more. I know the feeling.
But I need to find out who else is involved in this.
I'm probably a bigger snoop than you. People pretend to not see me, so I see everybody and everything.
Frank Bowers knew Rachel. Have you seen him around?
I saw him today, looking more jumpy than usual.
I don't know how he hasn't been arrested yet.
Sounds like you know a lot more than me, child.
I just think Arcadia Bay is in trouble.
Maybe you'd like to tell me what you're hiding.
Gila, ini kasih tau nggak, Bro? Kayak secret gitu, Bro. Ending rahasia nih, ending rahasia. Gue penasaran sih, Bro. Kasih tahu aja kali ya.
I feel like I can trust you as much as Chloe. And you wouldn't think I'm crazy.
Too late for me to judge anybody. Plus, you're not crazy.
I'm just gonna say this. I had a vision of Arcadia Bay being destroyed by a tornado. For real.
Could be. Bad mojo is in the air this week. Thanks for the warning, Max. Thanks for that storm warning, Max. And, I'll let you know if I find out anything.
Kayak bakal berguna tuh, Bor. Kayak RV.
I should have known. The amazing Spider Max.
I couldn't have done it without Frank. Now let's get in and out.
You'll need this, Max. On your mark, get set. Throw!
Throw in the parking lot. Diparkirin aja lah ya nggak sih? Jalan termati.
Get the treat, boy.
I think we just made that dog our bitch. Get it?
Now we can snoop in peace. But let's not waste time. The doggy is busy now, but he might come back.
Coba kalau ke jalan.
Get the treat, boy.
The meat is in the street.
Oh no! Please do not let that poor dog be hit.
Mati kan bener?
Betty's fine. I'm sure he is. Come on, we definitely don't have time to waste now.
Oh, please don't let that dog be hurt. Or worse.
Mati Bor tuh. Tuh di bawah ya. Rewind. Aduh, kita bunuh anjingnya apa enggak ya? Jangan lah ya. Binatangnya nggak salah apa-apa kok. Walaupun bisa bahaya ke kita sih, Bor. Di sana.
Damn, I thought my room was a shithole.
You're not a creepy drug dealer.
Frank has issues, but he's not creepy. At least I didn't think so until I saw him with Rachel's bracelet. Oh, we could cruise everywhere in this bad boy. Can you see us heading down the coast to Big Sur and beyond?
Yes, we'd be tearing up the highway. And you dare me to drive it like you dared me to kiss you? Chloe, we're on a schedule. We need clues about Rachel.
I know. Just daydreaming.
Oke, bakal banyak clue nih, Bor.
You scope the area
Can't
while I...
quite picture Frank and Chloe drinking beer and hanging out. Pompidou? For reals? That's a poodle's name. Frank must have a reason to keep a police radar nearby. Good to know Frank has a knife lying around. Too bad I don't have my Frank Bowers decoder ring. Are these for Frank, or is he selling them? Or both? I could pry this vent open with the right tool. That's almost cute to see Frank posing with his dog. Okay, this vent is loose. I need something to pry it open. Ooh, Frank's stash. This is almost as good as a set of keys.
Ya patah.
Curses, nothing here.
I cannot believe he would wear a collar and a furry mask.
You're dumb. My blade will open any portal.
Apa itu?
Oh man, Rachel and Frank's dog. I don't know if I should be touched or disturbed.
Love you always, Rachel Amber. Najis cowok, Rachel suka sama si Frank.
I'm glad Rachel got to drive this beast. She looks genuinely happy. Rachel really did hang out with Frank.
Ih,
I'm learning more about Rachel than I want to know. Trouble in paradise.
That makes me ill that Rachel posed like this for Frank.
Hmm.
Wrote him love letters.
Hmm.
I can't believe she was banging Frank.
Ew.
Rachel straight up lied to my face. Why didn't she say anything?
Because she knew how you would react.
And she wasn't much of a friend, huh? Just another person who shits all over me. Why does everybody in my life let me down? My dad gets killed, you bail on me for years, my mother gloms onto stepfucker, now Rachel betrays me.
Chloe, Rachel is missing. Nobody betrayed you.
Bullshit! Who hasn't? Fuck everybody!
Chloe!
Dah.
Chloe, you can't keep blaming me and everybody for everything wrong in your life. It's so not fair.
I gotta blame somebody, otherwise it's all my fault. Fuck that.
It's just life. Shit happens. It's nobody's fault. Blah, 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 as Mr. Jefferson would say. And Kate Marsh.
Yes, Kate Marsh killed herself. She's dead. Such sad, okay? That doesn't make me feel better about my fucked up life, get it?
So who do you most want to blame?
My fucking dad, of course. Hello?
You blame David?
I said my dad. My real father, who got himself killed for nothing. Not the human placeholder for Joyce.
Chloe, your dad didn't choose to leave you.
I know that, Max. My mom actually blames herself. Just because she wanted a ride home from work. Sometimes, even I blame her.
No, you don't.
Yes, Max, I do. Do you know what it's like to father to come home when you're a kid? And he never does?
No, of course not. But I was with you that day. It was just a terrible accident.
I wish that made me feel better. But ever since he died, my life has been dipped in shit.
I can tell. But look at everything that's happened the past week. Your life has changed mine, and that's not shit.
I'd really love to believe that. I'd like to believe in something after what's happened.
Chloe, I can't do this out on my own. I need you with me. And Rachel needs you.
Oh my god. What is happening now?
Time for a picture. Cheesecake! Come on now. Say pancake. I can't even see.
Use AD keys and left mouse button until you find the sweet spot.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper.
Not until I see it first. You know the rules, Dad. Max, tell him. Whoa, hey. You look totally pale. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just... yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, Chloe. Give me the thumbs up or thumbs down.
Well, I might just allow this one into the family album.
You're the boss.
What is this?
But not the cook.
William
Hint,
is here.
hint, Daddy.
Yes,
And
we can't.
Chloe is
expect your
just a
mother to rush
kid.
home and serve us slackers.
Am I
Who
that
wants to
far
have
back in
crepes?
You
time?
mean pancakes?
In
Iya,
France, they
jauh
call
bener.
them
I'm
crepes.
18 years
My good
old
French
inside my
chef uses
13-year-old
assistance
self.
If you want to eat.
How?
I volunteer to break the eggs.
Do you remember how many eggs?
Mom said it depends.
That's true.
So, how many eggs?
Don't you dare question the chef.
Right, like you're the real cook here.
I am when your mom is away.
Bor,
I'll let her know that.
ini lu inget gak Bor yang Joyce bilang kalau aduh telepon lagi. Ntar lu gue ngomong Bor, inget ya yang Joyce bilang ya? Foto yang kita lihat barusan nih itu adalah foto terakhir sebelum William meninggal. Abis dia foto itu dia keluar kecelakaan. Dan kita entah kenapa bisa sampai sini gitu loh mundurin waktunya, Bor. Objektif. Must find a way to stop William from taking his car. Sejak kapan ada objektifnya, Cok? Tuh kan? Mencegah William meninggal, Bor. Ah, gila. Ini udah bukan rewind time lagi sih, Bro, menurut gua. Episode 1 rewind time, Bro. Episode 2 pas mau cegah Kate lompat, itu stopping time ya. Semua orang berhenti, kita jalan tuh ke rooftop. Nah, ketiga nih, ini balik ke masa lalu, Cok. Time travel bukan rewind lagi. Ini kekuatannya beda-beda loh, Bro. Bisa gitu ya? Bro, ini apapun yang terjadi kita harus mencegah William meninggal, Bro. Anjir, ceritanya bisa begitu, Bro. Berarti beda banget dong ntar di masa depan ya, William masih hidup nggak ada David. Kalau nggak ada David, si Rachel sama si Kate bisa selamat. Wah, ini momen besar nih, Bro. Asli, Bro. Jangan sampai bikin kesalahan, Bro.
Hello. Hey, honey. Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales.
Jangan.
What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you.
I have to stop William from taking his car today.
Ladies, I have to go rescue yonder queen at the...
Bisa nggak teleponnya kita putus?
Do you remember how many eggs?
Unplug.
Mom
Yes.
said it depends.
Boom.
That's true.
Disconnected.
So, how many eggs?
Don't you dare question the chef.
Right, like you're the real cook here.
Yes. Here's the Two Whales number. Now I can warn Joyce.
Warn Joyce. Tenang apa ya? Jangan suruh William. Udah.
Do you remember how many eggs?
Mom
Akal
said it
dia
depends.
aduh.
That's...
Hello. Hi, could I please talk to Joyce Price? Oh, she left?
Wah.
Damn. Are you sure? Okay, sorry. Thanks.
That's true.
So, how many eggs?
Don't you dare question the chef.
Unplug.
Right, like you're the real
Boom.
cook here.
Disconnected.
I am when your mom is away.
I'll let her know that.
Jangan sampai si Joyce yang meninggal ya, anjir.
Now I get to take a picture. Strike a pose.
Make me a star.
Just make me look young.
You can see the bond between Chloe and her father. And the love. Now this is a photo.
Aduh, HP
Hey,
lagi.
honey. I have no idea why the home phone didn't ring just now. I'm just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you. Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast upon.
Wait, ikutin.
You are ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Kunci kita hilangin kunci abis ini. Aduh, dia masih nyari kunci, War.
Aha!
Aduh, itu
You
dia.
can't hide from me forever. Now, Lop.
Ya, telepon.
Hey, honey.
Score!
Bus, kuncinya kita sembunyiin.
I'm just making a fabulous breakfast.
Hi,
with
tight.
Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales.
Bro, nggak usah, bro. Bilangnya nggak bisa.
Shit, where are those keys?
Another $1 for the swear jar.
You're bankrupting me.
Apa lagi nih? Alamak.
I knew this thing would come in handy. How the hell did my keys end up here? And no Chloe and Max wine tasting session.
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us a world-famous salmon surprise with chocolate cake for dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Untung masih bisa. Keren gua, telat gua.
Hey, honey.
Aduh, woi.
I knew this thing.
Buang keluar.
Hey, honey. I have no idea why the home phone didn't ring just now.
Yes.
I'm just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and...
Yes.
I know I had those keys right here. I know it. Forgot all about you, little buddy. Release the keys. Of course. Last time I ordered from Spy Guy Electronics.
You can take the bus, right? The stop is right down the street.
This I can do. Good call, Max.
Oh yeah, the bus is great. It comes every 15 minutes and there'll be plenty of room for you and Joyce and groceries and it'll save the environment.
You sold me already. I'm off to yonder bus stop. Joyce will love this.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. You feel okay?
Chloe, I am awesome. We are awesome.
Aduh, gambar kupu-kupunya kapus, War. Hilang. Mampus lu, David. Gila, baru ngubah masa depan kita. Di mana nih kita sekarang?
I'm not paying $150 for a concert. I heard that the Vortex Club parties are wild.
Dude, the service fee is like 50%.
Hello, are you even listening, Maxine?
All my friends in LA told me that Oregon
Cat masih ada nggak?
cold every day.
Never Maxine.
So that's why she was laughing so hard.
I know. Sorry, Mad Max. You're not pissed at me, right? Right? Do you want to go hit the girls' potty and smoke a peace pipe?
I think Max is high.
She's acting like so weird. You cool, Max?
Nobody listened when I said we shouldn't let her in the vortex.
Courtney, you don't want anybody in the club.
Like whatever, bitch. Warren, he hooked up with Stella? Oh no, this is totally fucked up. What else have I changed? Chloe.
Bagus lah, bokap hidup. Nggak apa-apa ya. David jadi supir bis. Oh please jangan kelar dulu dong. Si Cat harusnya masih hidup dong ya nggak? David kan nggak jadi ngeharas dia, iya nggak sih? Tapi masih ada nih orang. Paus. Chloe, William, Joyce. Yuk bahagia yuk. Gila bro, apa maksud game ini? Bikin kita itu bro, mundurin waktu sejauh itu bro. Buat nolong Chloe.
Max Caulfield.
William.
Taking a break after taking Seattle by storm, huh? We thought we'd never see you again after you left for the big city.
Gua yang gak nyangka ketemu lu lagi.
I'd never do that to Chloe.
Speaking of,
wah gila nangis sih.
I know she's been dying to see you. Hold on.
Gila Max, lu nangis Max. Lihat William masih hidup.
You have a visitor.
Chloe juga nggak pangrok dong harusnya. Loh, apa nih? Hah? Jangan tamat dulu dong. Hah? Hah? Puri, ini ceritanya mau dibawa kemana Bor, anjir? Bor, udah bilang kan Bor, lu mau milih A, mau milih B, gak ada yang bener-bener sempurna gitu loh. Masing-masing jawaban punya plus minusnya sendiri-sendiri. Cuma ini kenapa ceritanya gini ya? Ya kaget sih, shock sih, jelas ya. Cuma yang tadinya tujuan awal kita nyari tahu tentang kasusnya si Rachel, begitu ngelihat tangisannya si Chloe, tiba-tiba kita jadi balik ke masa lalu gitu loh, buat nolongin si Chloe. Bukan nolongin Chloe, apa ya? Chloe kan tadi bilang dia merasa semua ini salah bokapnya yang meninggal gitu loh. Mungkin ada perasaannya terlalu kuat kali jadi rewind time-nya ini berhasil bawa kita ke masa lalu gitu loh, pas bokapnya si Chloe masih hidup. Tujuannya sih emang bener buat nyelamatin biar tetap masih hidup gitu sampai sekarang. Tapi jadi ada hal lain yang gak enak gitu loh. Si Chloe jadi cacat Aduh, gue nggak tahu ya sekarang tujuan kita ngapain sih, Bor. Ya Chloe cacat sih, cuma apakah dia rela gitu Bor cacat demi ngelihat bokapnya hidup? Terus kalau kayak gini, semua hal yang kita lakukan dari episode 1 sampai 3 sia-sia dong. Seakan-akan nggak pernah terjadi, Bor, ya kan? Lah berarti masalahnya baru lagi nih, Bor. Kita harus nolong Chloe nih sekarang. Bener-bener nggak nyangka, Bor, arahnya bakal kesini. Anjir, apa-apa yang sudah kita lakuin ya jadi nggak penting, Bor, karena nggak pernah terjadi gitu loh. Oke lah, kita lihat, Bor, jawaban kita nih, pilihan kita, main eventnya seperti apa. Oke, pertama, you stole the money. Tapi ya sekarang sih udah nggak penting, Bro. Uangnya juga nggak kepake. You kiss Chloe, you didn't kiss Chloe. Ini ngaruhnya apa, Bro? Gue bingung bener dah. Oke, you sided with Chloe. Jelas ya, David nggak penting loh. David udah bukan bokapnya lagi. You got Frank dog hurt, you keep Frank's dog from harm. Ya ini oke. Chloe has David gun. Ini oke. Tapi ya semua ini ngapain, Bro? Udah beda cerita, Cuk. Udah nggak pernah kejadian lagi nih. Kita nggak ada urusannya sama David, berarti kan kita nggak perlu ngalamin semua ini gitu loh. Iya kan? Next, Lisa is alive. Oh, tanaman. You didn't change the Vortex Club party list. Wah, ini mana lagi? You warned the homeless woman. You took a photo in the past. Ini tadi nih. You left the mark. Kirain gue bisa ngambil kunci, kita masih bisa ini, Bor. Masih bisa gambar dulu gitu. Malah langsung cutscene. Oke, Bor, gue sejauh ini pilihan-pilihan gue sih, gue ngerasa oke-oke aja, Bor. Oke, yaudah kalau gitu lanjut, Bor. Kita lihat teaser episode 4. Gitu doang. Oke, berarti berikutnya kita bakal berurusan sama Vortex Club, Bor. Jadi episode 3 nih gimana, Bor? Bisa gue bilang aneh sih episode 3 nih. Episode ini pokoknya aneh, pusing. Dan ngebuat semua yang udah kita lakuin ya seakan-akan gak pernah kejadian gitu loh. Kayak yang gue bilang tadi, Bor. Sumpah gue bingung ini mau dibawa kemana, Bor, ceritanya asli dari sini. Kenapa berhentinya di situ ya? Aduh, cliffhanger banget, Cok. Yaudah, gue nggak bisa banyak komen, Bor, karena di masa sekarang yang baru ini nih, apa-apa yang berubah ya kita nggak tahu banyak gitu loh. Jadi gue nggak bisa berkomentar, Bor. Ya berarti episode 4 nih kita bakal cari tahu nih si Chloe kenapa bisa kayak gitu. Cuma ini Chloe dia masih tahu nggak ya kalau kita punya rewind time? Kayaknya sih enggak, Bor. Enggak tahu nih Chloe masih bisa diajak ngobrol apa enggak, Bor. Jadi, Bor, aduh. Kalau gitu sekian dulu aja video dari gue kali ini, Bor. Thank you yang udah nonton. Gua Diwai. Sampai jumpa di episode 4 Life is Strange berikutnya. Bye.
Through the blizzard